Progress over perfection. Sarah was obsessed with perfection. Everything had to be just right. From color-coded planners to perfectly folded socks, she was on a never-ending quest to make her life flawless. Yet, no matter how hard she tried, it always felt like something was a little off. One day, as she adjusted her couch pillows for the 10th time that morning, Sarah had a breakthrough. "Why am I doing this?" she thought. "Perfection isn't real. It's like chasing a rainbow. You never really get there." She realized that what truly mattered was making progress, not being perfect. So she stopped waiting for the perfect moment and started focusing on small, steady improvements. Bit by bit, her life transformed, not because she got everything exactly right, but because she kept moving forward. In the end, Sarah found more joy in the journey than in any impossible quest for perfection. And that's the secret. Progress is always better than perfection. Keep moving forward, and you'll get there in your own way, one step at a time.